So these are all the clothes I'm taking with me. I just have to pack them and go to sleep because I have to leave early tomorrow. Guys, I messed up so bad. Like, ah. So I'm here at my gate, waiting to board. Oh, it's started. Let's go board the aircraft. Ini kami dengan streaming wireless untuk menggunakan peralatan elektronik menggunakan telah menggunakan alat tersebut di dalam penerbangan. At all times, and it is the instructions of the cabin crew as and when it's given. Our departure today will be initially northbound on runway 6 and unfortunately involved. This is the most clear announcement that I've ever listened to in my entire life.
We will be tracking north-northwest.
And also this thing. This is perfect for me to keep my phone and vlog. Wow, Malaysia Airlines, good job. Overall, this aircraft is of Boeing, so और हम ये आसमान की ऊंचाइयों में चारों ओर कोहरा ही कोहरा। मैं नफीस गड़ा मार रहा है ना, कौन दिए कि इसको लाइसेंस प्लेन चलाने। What is this? चला लेते हुए लेके जा रहे हैं लोग. So disappointing. That was our flight entering from here. Just landed in Langkawi. Thank you. And it was a good 1.5 hours flight. So I'm now waiting for my taxi to come. तो चलो होटल चलते हैं and then I'll give you a tour of the room and place. I'm here till tomorrow night. So let's see how much I can explore in this 1.5 days I have.
The path ahead is a one-way route, so there is no doubling back. To look for Tuk Dian, a wise... My teacher found a spot, perched herself on the rock. Chandrawasi.
Kini ku temui si the next day.
Good morning, everyone. A beautiful, beautiful morning here in Langkawi. Wow, this is so peaceful. I mean, it's 8 a.m. in the morning and I see no people, nowhere. This is the place I'm staying at, Villa Abadi Restaurant. I just took a detour, everyone. Let's see where we'll end up. I see boats, maybe a beach, I don't know. But just thinking about the fact I get to experience all this, it sends the chills of gratitude down my spine. Hey kitty. So looks like the detour led me to a pier. How coincidental this could be that I left my room for a walk, and maybe this I do not have any words to describe what's in front of me, what's in the back, everything that's surrounding me. And the only sense of feeling I have right now is gratitude. At this point, I'm just letting the path take me wherever it goes. जहाँ जहाँ रास्ता जा रहा, हाँ मैं उस पे सवार. काफ़ी खूबसूरत जगह है. did not observe that well this time because the place I'm standing at, यहाँ पर एक आम का झाड़ है और I don't know if it's the mango season here, but there is some fruit. इतना नीचे है, अगर इंडिया रहता तो ये कुछ भी नहीं बचता था यहाँ पर. Just how lucky anyone can be. As I was leaving, this thing fell down. And I'm not that dumb to, overlook a sign. So yeah, I take this with all the thankfulness in me. Last night इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही थी, and now it's bright and sunny like a typical tropical island. Wow, this is crazy. So this is gonna be my transport for the day to go to the mangrove forest, and from there we'll take a boat